do here? Power or placement? The keeper was never going to get there. Here we go then. Can he finish it? He left the goalkeeper with no chance. So much pressure. Nice finish. Which way is he going to put it? The keeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot. So much pressure. Well taken penalty. You can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Good gamble by the keeper there. One kick away from victory, that's all. Denied by the keeper. All the pressure now on the penalty taker. He has to score. There we have it. So unlucky here. They'll have to wait until next season to try and get their hands on the cup. And there we have it. So unlucky here. They'll have to wait until next season to try and get their hands on the cup.
Chasing clouds and falling from the sky. We were getting just a little while. Stealing matches and setting fires. Just feel the rush, it's never enough. Gonna race it to the other side. Just feel the rush, it's covering us. I'm closer to the edge this time. 'Cause I don't wanna let you go. It goes to my head, it goes to my head. I don't wanna let you know. It goes to my head, it goes to my head. Gotta let it go. It goes to